Well, the JR50's coming back together. Got a front wheel for it, got a new tire and tube, got a new rear wheel, tire and tube, and put it back into a somewhat of a rolling chassis. Anyway, I've got a lot of stuff yet to do on it. Got a couple motors right over here. Got to disassemble this one and change the bearings and seals in it. I have a second one that if the first one doesn't turn out, I got a second one I can work with. So anyway, just figured I'd give a short little update on how it's coming together. So this is the JR50 that was burned up in a fire. It wasn't replaced. This is the actual frame and the actual swing arm, but most everything is pretty much replaced. So anyway, for those of you following that wanted to see some progress, there we go.